Hi everyone, here we've got a Realme C15 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So first of all, let's open the settings. Then let's scroll down and find users and accounts and click on our Google account. Here let's tap on the two dots icon and simply click on sync now. Just wait a second. And now the synchronizing is off. Everything is updated, and this is how you Google Backup your Realme C15. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.